Hi Tavola Timberwolves, Miss Kale here. I just got home from the teacher parade. It was so exciting seeing so many of you out waving at your teachers. Your teachers miss you very, very much and cannot wait to be back at school with you. Until then, I'm going to share a strategy with you called Make 10. We can use the Make 10 strategy to make adding easier. The first step of using the Make 10 strategy, though, is to know what numbers come together to make a 10. So I wrote some of the equations that equal 10 when adding. So you can see I have 10 plus 0 equals 10, 9 plus 1 equals 10, 8 plus 2 equals 10, 7 plus 3 equals 10, 6 plus 4 equals 10, and 5 plus 5 equals 10. Well, in adding, we know that we can flip our add-ins, or these numbers over here, and still get the same answer. So if 6 plus 4 equals 10, then also 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 7 plus 3, and 8 plus 2, and 9 plus 1. But we want to start looking at these numbers as kind of pairs. So when I'm adding, when I see an 8, I want to automatically know I need 2 more to make a 10. Or when I see a 6, I should already be thinking I need 4 more to make a 10. And I'm going to show you how that can help when you're adding. So when you're adding simpler numbers, just 1 digit and 1 digit numbers, for example, like this, 7 plus 5, I already know that my 7 needs 3 more to make a 10. And I should know that my 5 is made of a 3 and a 2 together. So if I put my 7 and 3 together, I make a 10, but I have 2 more left over, so 10 plus 2 is 12. So then my answer is 12. And that's much easier than counting up and saying 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which isn't too difficult. But let's say I'm adding these numbers. If I was adding 68 plus 23, I don't want to start at 68 and count up by 23 more, because that's going to get very confusing, and it's going to be more likely that I'm going to make a mistake. So if I'm adding my ones first, I know 8 plus 2 more ones would make a 10. But over here I have 3 ones, so if I use 2 of these ones, then I have 1 left. So I can go ahead and write my 1 that's going to stay in my ones place. And I've made an extra 10 with my 8 and my 2. So I can add 2 plus that 10 would make 3. And 3 plus 6 would make 9. And we can even use our Make 10 strategy when we're adding even bigger numbers to make a 10 that goes in our tens place, which would actually be 100. I'll show you more about that later. Bye, guys.